Okay, last time I tell you that my home directory is almost full. So I go to OPT and I modify. I modify this into a link, right? Remember, I modify this into a link to my home directory because my home directory still have space. I still have more than 300 gigabytes. And I change the original EDA directory into EDA2. This is for safety reason. If your system use this link for maybe more than 1 or 2 months without any problem, without any question, you may delete, you may remove this directory. Okay, because this will, let me check. This directory occupies, I remember, more than 100 gigabytes of space. When you create a soft link to your home EDA directory, and your system is running for maybe one month, and there is no problem, this directory is safe to be removed. Understand? So I finally can extract this file. Now, please take a look at my command. I still use the same directory to extract this file, but this directory is already a soft link to home EDA. Thus, when I extract this file, it will not occupy the root space. Okay? So you can see that I only have 6.7 gigabytes available, and when I type enter, it extract to home directory, not root directory. Let me show you. Now root is 331 gigabyte, right? And I type df-h. You see 330. It extracted to home directory, not root directory. So we can make sure that our space is big enough to extract all the Verdi files. Okay, finally, all the files are extracted. Now we needed to edit the configuration file. The configuration is very simple. It only has 2 lines. You needed to add the Verdi bin to your path definition here. First, you needed to add the Verdi bin to your definition, to your path definition. Then you needed to configure license setting, which is port 26585. This is Synopsys license setting, so you don't need to modify anything. Then we can type a source opt eda -rc eda, and we can type a Verdi. I remember we needed to type a -gui. Okay. So we can see that this is Verdi 2024.09-SP2. Okay, so I already opened Verdi, so we don't need to do troubleshooting. There is no, in my computer, there is no troubleshooting, but I don't know whether you need the troubleshooting or not. Okay. Okay, so in my computer there is no need to do troubleshooting, and I can open Verdi and verify its version. Then I will leave the rest to you, because this course is only tell you how to install the software, not how to use the software.